Dear students, welcome to Prayosha Tutorials. Today we would like to discuss the most important chapter of our grade 10, that is circle. And in that, the two most important properties. First property, angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. Coming to grade 10th, we are very much aware about what does the word segment means. So here I've made a diagram and I would like to show you what does the segment means. AB here is a segment. Now, when we have angles in the same segment, what do you mean by that? AB is drawn, which is a segment, and two angles are formed on the same segment. AB forms two segments, major segments and minor segment. Here, two angles are formed because of this segment. Angle APB and angle AQB. One more time, I would like to come to the start again. Angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. Same segment. AB forms a segment. Segment AB forms two major segment and minor segment. Here you can see two angles formed by this segment. Angle APB and angle AQB. First property teaches that angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. Whenever any two angles or maybe more than two angles are formed by the same segment, both the angles have same measure. Segment AB divides the circle into two segments. Angle APB and angle AQB are formed and so angle APB is equal to angle AQB. Second important property now of the same chapter, circle chapter. Central angle is twice angle at circumference. One more time, students, you like to repeat with me. Central angle is twice angle at circumference. You can see now this diagram, students. Central angle is angle AOB. Central angle is angle AOB. Now, this angle, angle APB, is an angle at circumference. Means this angle can be formed anywhere. Angle APB is formed here. It can be even called as angle AQB here. So both the angles are related to central angle. How? I just like to give you a small hint here, students. Angle AOB is related to the arc AB, and angle APB is also related to the same arc AB. So they both have a common relation which is of arc AB. Hence, angle AOB is twice angle APB. One more time, central angle is twice angle at circumference. O is the center of the circle, so it is called as central angle. P is at circumference, so angle APB is called angle at circumference.